A British financial trader accused of helping to trigger a multi-billion-dollar US stock market crash from the West London home he shares with his parents has told a court that he will fight extradition proceedings to America. US prosecutors claim 36-year-old Navinder Singh Sarao caused a sudden crash on the markets in 2010. They say he made £27 million over a 4-year period. Andy Verity reports.
This ordinary house in Hounslow, West London, was, according to the US Department of Justice, the headquarters of an international criminal operation.
The allegation is that one man, based in this modest family home right underneath the Heathrow flight path, was able to manipulate markets thousands of miles away, help to cause an international financial panic, and make £27 million.
This is the man the US authorities want, Navinder Singh Sarao.
Excuse me, sir.
Today, his father was keen to avoid the media, and there was surprise at his arrest.
But no one would have had a clue, you know. I mean, who knows what people do on their computers, you know. But yeah, it's very surprising.
I want to bring you up to date on what has been a stomach-churning day on Wall Street.
A sudden and shocking market crash on the 6th of May 2010. US shares lost more than £500 billion of value in just 5 minutes before bouncing back up, a so-called flash crash.
The regulatory authorities are evaluating this closely with a concern for protecting investors and preventing this from happening again.
US authorities say Sarao's remote trading on US markets played a major role in that flash crash, charges he contests. An unscrupulous trader can make money through a practice called spoofing. By placing a series of big, fake orders to sell shares, he can beat the share price down. Other traders are fooled into thinking they've got to sell too before the price drops, and it falls. The trader then places a real order to buy and cancels the fake sell orders. The price bounces back up and he's made a quick profit. With computer software, the selling and buying can be lightning quick. Repeated thousands of times, small gains turn into millions.
You're not meant to, and it's illegal to put in trades that you're not trying to actually execute. And that's a crime. And imagine if everyone was allowed to do that, you could spook the market the whole time and no one would know what was truth and what was fiction.
Before leaving Westminster Magistrates Court, Mr. Sarao was granted bail on condition he put up £5 million as security. His lawyer said his arrest had come as a bolt from the blue and that he'd fight the attempt to extradite him. Andy Verity, BBC News.